welcome to day 17 of the backyard transformation. Now, it's been a while since the last backyard transformation video, but we're back and we started by putting the rest of the ivy in the green bin. I then took some rough measurements of the beds as I'm going to be making some raised beds soon and I needed to know what size wood I needed. Now, I do have some plans for the sink, but as of now it was in the way, so it needed to be moved. I then decided to put some compost down in the bed as the gooseberry is starting to fruit and it needs some fuel. But first I checked the aeration of the soil using a screwdriver. I then got to use my new fork, which I just got from the gardening centre. Now, I use a no-dig approach on these beds, however I do like to give the top layer of soil a light scrape before I put down the compost. I then gave this bed a nice layer of compost, leaving a gap between the front border as I'm going to be digging this out soon to put in the new raised beds. I then finished the night by topping up the rhubarb with some compost as well. And this is what the bed looked like the following day. And the gooseberries are starting to look great. As always guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to drop a like and follow and stay tuned for day 18 of the backyard transformation.